Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. You can see I mowed a bit last night. I had to get it done. It was a Sunday night, so I didn't have the camera going, but I had to get it done. This was really bad. And you can see here how tall it was. I gotta get the rest of it over around the garden area done. It's pretty wild, but it's pretty, and pretty is the word. The wildflowers. Well, the wind is bad. The wildflowers, they're so pretty over there. I like that. And you see them? I can't see my camera. It's so pretty over there. Camera doesn't quite do it justice, but that's my little wildflower area. I might even leave it there just because it is so pretty. So, I got my first garden harvest. Look at that. That's a beauty. That's a hot Hungarian hot pepper. And today, I'm going to be working on the camper. I'm going to put hard sides in it and fix it up. It's going to be a mobile, solar-powered cryptocurrency mining farm. That's a mouthful for you. I'm going to do the construction on video here on my main channel, but the electronics and controls and everything and the mining will be on my electronics channel. We're going to have green beans here soon too. So my garden, our garden I should say, is happy. I don't know if Melanie has harvested. There's some leaves missing, but I have to ask her. But the spinach and the lettuce, look at that. Look at that. Really looking good. Spinach and the lettuce is growing nice, so I think we'll probably have a salad tonight. Very, very good. The tomato is flowering. Yeah. We got flowers in the tomato plants. Beautiful. And we've got, I was afraid of I did that wrong. I'm not going to move it now. We've got little zucchinis coming in, little green zucchinis. It's a bush. I thought it might be a vine, but after I put it in, I thought, oh no, that might be a bush. And sure enough, that's a bush, but it's going to stay there. That's its home now, and it's going to bear fruit. It's bearing fruit. Got another chili, going to be ready in a few days. That was just a flower when I got here. Here, that was a flower when I last showed you. And here's another. Move my camera easy enough. There's some more coming in. Very, very good yielding pepper plants. I like it. I love my chilies. So, yeah, we're going to have a garden. And the cucumbers are struggling because something is eating them at the base. So I've got to get them buried right there and protect them. But anyway, we got a few more plants. I'll show you that. And then I've got to get on with the construction for the day. Over here, I don't know what this is. It's already close, so we missed it. Huh. When did that happen? Well, there's more coming, so I guess we'll see. Melanie cleaned out the weeds and the grass in here. The irises were in the lake at the cabin, and they're recovering beautifully. These were the lake at the cabin is coming up. The water's coming up a lot, and we salvaged and rescued these from drowning. And look at them all. They're coming in thick. I like it. They're really coming in nice. Now they would be under about 2 to 3 feet of water where they were. So that's nice. Over here, our, I forgot what one that is. It looks like an oregano, but it's gigantic. These are happy here. We still have to get weeding here and finish this up. But we got different herbs in here, and then we put some creeping phlox that we bought just because this whole area had died out. And we're going to have seed from the kale. And when that dries up, I'll harvest that and then we'll replant. And then we've got our blackberries that are going to come in nice. I'm going to have to get out here and weed the grass out and thin it out for them. Actually, maybe not. The grass probably helps hold the moisture. But we got blackberries. And in these, I forgot what they're called. They're, I forgot. Some of them are drying out, though, oddly. I think the bugs are getting to them. But this is going to be a heavy bearer this year. It's not a blueberry. I thought it was, but it was something else. So there's that. And then over here, these are beautiful. This is a catmint. And the colors are incredible. I really love it. And we got some flowering herbs down here. Little tiny colored flowers. Very pretty. And our chives are just ending their flowering life. Things go so fast here. Oh, we got something new coming in too. And we've got lettuce that came up from 2 years ago on its own that we're going to transplant. We have been transplanting out, and I might leave a couple in here to go wild because it's a constant source of lettuce for us. Here Melanie put a tomato and a sweet potato, which is I guess it's a real edible sweet potato. She's got some flowers mixed in, and an eggplant which was being attacked by the beetles, so I put some natural spray on it. She's got a bean in here too. She's got a mix of flowers and food. Here's some beautiful flowers. There's a pea. There's another pea. Those are the transplanted lettuce plants. There's another pea over here. Look at the flowers. Wow, they're coming in nice. Look at that. Really coming in nice. And over here, my marigolds are looking good. Those are going to go over by the trees, the orchard. And then today I hope to still get all the rest of my vines in the ground. And then we went and bought 2 massive cherry tomato plants yesterday, which I'm hoping to get in the that other raised bed later on today. I have to finish filling it up. So I hope to get the camper hard sides on quickly, and then I can work on these. And in here things are coming back. Now we bought, that's Mexican tarragon. I thought that was a catnip type thing. The catnip is growing, struggling, but it's growing. I have a grape coming back, and I've got up here a grapevine coming back, and over here a grapevine coming back. And then we bought some more lavender and what is that? Cilantro and a new rosemary, because they all died. The Russian sage is looking good, and then our potatoes. All the potatoes. I sprayed them with some natural spray because something was doing weird things to the leaves. The back half of the greenhouse is still dead, so it got destroyed really bad from the freezing. The one lonely strawberry plant is starting to bear fruit, the only survivor. And nope, the grape is not yet coming back, and this grapevine is not coming back. So we'll see what happens here yet. We'll keep an eye on things. I thought I had another grape up front. I'll have to get in there and look and dig around. Everything else is struggling. I've got some beans I've got to get in the garden yet. Melanie planted them from seed, but they're not looking good. Something's eating the heads off them all, which is really annoying. And my chamomile, which just comes back every year on its own. I like it. Alright, well I gotta get on to construction, so we'll talk to you guys in a bit once I get things set up. Well guys, I got the camper set up here. I have a tarp over it because I had put tar on the roof to patch the holes. I've been working. I got the back wall done, and it stopped the wobble and flex in the camper. Now I'm going to have to buy some trim, some 1x2s or 3s to trim up there properly and hold that up good. And then in between the seams, and a perfect spot, the 1x2 runs along this lip and holds that in place. I only had a scrap for now, so that's what I used. But it's a perfect size. It's absolutely perfect. Now, I'll show you outside my plans to keep water out till I can get this done properly. I'm going to piece this one in here. I guess I don't have to actually. there, you know what? I might move that. That might just slide right over, but I think there's a bit of an angle. I don't think it's exactly square, but I might try. I'm going to take a look at that because the outer walls were sloped, but the base is square, and I believe the top is square. So I'm going to try to undo that and slide it over and see if that fits right. That might be good. Oh, look at there. There's a tick inside. Look at that. Inside. How did that happen? I've been trying to be careful not to get a tick on me, and there's a tick inside. Let me kill that and be right back.